In the realm of Chinese sorcerers, constructing a three-tiered bridge is not only a colossal task, but also a time challenge. However, to save time and energy, the sorcerers utilized their wisdom and supreme skills. Instead of waiting for the structures to be built conventionally, they employed magic to expedite the development process. Their spiritual strength and essence infused into every wall, every beam of the bridge, causing it to burgeon and complete within a moment's time. Upon completion, the three-tiered bridge, mesmerizing and captivating, becomes not just an engineering marvel, but also a symbol of the power and sanctity of Chinese sorcery.